Hello everyone and welcome to Learning in Technology. My name's Frank and I'm glad that you're here. This is a really short video. It's just going to be a little tip that might be helpful for some folks. It's a little bit of an obscure area, and that is if you're teaching using a green screen. One of the challenges that I've always had when I'm using a green screen is if there's inconsistency on the screen itself, if it's not flat or well lit, it can cause problems or it doesn't create that separation that you're looking for. So there's this little trick that I learned that I'm going to show you super quick on how to use a green screen. One of the big problems that we have when we're using a green screen is we'll hang it up on some sort of frame or connect it up to the wall. And because the green screen itself or the cloth that we're using has been folded up in a bag or hidden in a closet or something like that, then it's all wrinkled. And what's going to happen is those wrinkles will actually show up on the green screen background and can cause disruption in anything that we're trying to put or separate into that green screen area. So how do we get rid of the wrinkles in a really easy way? And I've seen all sorts of ways that people have tried to do this. Sometimes people will go through and they'll iron the green screen. So they'll sit there and they'll spend a lot of time doing that. There's a super simple way. All you have to do is you can see all these wrinkles on the green screen. They're not so great, right? And what we want to do is we want to get these out. So once I've hung the screen, I'll take a spray bottle and I'll just absolutely soak down the screen. I'll spray it with some water and then I'll let that water dry. And what will happen is the water relaxes the fabric and you come back maybe an hour later and everything is nice and smooth. Well, there you have it. Just a super quick tip. I just wanted to throw that out there because I thought it was handy. So if you like the video, hit like. It's a pretty short video. If you want more videos like this, then chances are this isn't the channel for you because I don't do a lot of, photography or green screen type stuff on the channel, but I just wanted to share this tip. If you wanted me to do a video on how to teach using a green screen, just comment down below. That might actually make a fun little video. Thanks for watching. Here's some of my regular videos. I hope you enjoy them.